What are the best ways to make money online? CPA marketing. CPA means for cost per action. CPA is very simple. You get paid when someone clicks on your affiliate link and complete an action. The action can be just about anything, but usually consists of filling out a form, signing up for a free trial, or buying something. The best CPA networks: Instant Approval, CPA-led, CPA Grip, CPA Build, AdWork Media. Need approval: MaxBounty, Peerfly. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest forms of marketing. Affiliate marketing is an ideal home business because it doesn't require much money to get started, and you don't have produce, stock or ship product inventory, or deliver a service. The best affiliate programs: ClickBank, Amazon, eBay, CJ Affiliate. Share a Sale. Affiliate Window, TradeDoubler. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about how to make big money in one day. Now, if you want to earn money with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, the keyword is targeted traffic. Find your niche, figure out what you're good at or what you want to be good at. You don't need to be an expert right now, but you do need to decide where you're going to fit in if you're at all serious about making serious money. Build a blog site. Your blog site is your virtual home. Without it, you've no place to filter all that traffic and people interested in what you have to say. Social media traffic. Increasing your social media traffic happens when you engage and build relationships on each network. Being readily available for customers, brand loyalists and potential buyers, it helps you nurture these people through the purchasing process. Beware with quick bucks. At the outset, you'll want to do all sorts of things to make money online, but don't sacrifice your morals for a quick buck. Not only will you put people off, but you'll lose Google's trust. You also shouldn't concern yourself with things like AdSense or other ads on a blog before you have around 100,000 visitors per day. Yes, per day. Create an email list. One of the best ways to make money online is by marketing to an actively interested group of email subscribers. While most people think that email marketing is dead, that's far from the truth. This is your greatest potential source of income online. PPC ads is an internet advertising used to direct traffic to websites, in which an advertiser pays a publisher, typically a website owner or a network of websites, when the ad is clicked. Pay-per-click is commonly associated with search engines. With search engines, advertisers typically bid on keyword phrases relevant to their target market. In contrast, content sites commonly charge a fixed price per click rather than use a bidding system. Social networks such as Facebook and Twitter also have pay-per-click as one of their advertising models. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about how to make big money in one day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.